story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina, and in this video we are going to be talking about cleansing, how I cleanse my hair. If you have not checked out my video where I talk about the characteristics of my hair, my low porosity, texture, density, and all that stuff, make sure you check that out because that is very, very important when it comes to why I do the things that I do in this video. So make sure you check that out. And as I said, I'm going to be uploading every single day. This week, this video is about cleansing. Tomorrow's video is going to be about deep conditioning. So make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And let's get into this cleansing. So why do we cleanse our hair? I have low porosity, high density, coarse hair, which means because I have low porosity, my hair is prone to buildup because my cuticles like to close. My hair is coarse and high density, which means my hair likes butters and heavy creams. So because butters and heavy creams can typically cause buildup if they can't penetrate into your strands, I need to make sure my hair is cleansed. And so that's why shampooing and clarifying has become so important to me, and why I actually have started to take the time to learn more about shampooing. I feel like in the beginning, I just grabbed a shampoo. Oh, my hair felt cleansed and kind of moved on about my business. Clarify my hair like every 6 months, if that. And then just kept going. Then I would wonder why products wouldn't work or products would stop working, why my scalp would be itchy, why the products would just kind of sit on my hair, all because I didn't, one, know my porosity, two, know my texture, know the course of my hair, and I really didn't take the time to look, and three, I wasn't properly cleansing my hair. How often do I cleanse? I cleanse my hair once a week. I have tried longer, but I found that my scalp just felt itchy, and typically if I went longer in shampooing my hair, that meant I would have to re-moisturize, which meant my hair felt like I was putting buildup on my hair versus actually re-moisturizing my hair. So I just found that 7-8 days is that nice middle. I feel like if I shampoo my hair like a little early, it's too much shampoo because my hair is coarse, and since my hair is coarse, it's prone to being dry. And so if I shampoo my hair too often, shampoo strips all that moisture out, which means I will always be constantly trying to get my hair moisturized, but it will never actually be moisturized because I'm too busy stripping my hair. So I find that about 7 to 8 days is that nice cushion for me. How often you cleanse honestly depends on you. If you can go longer, go longer. You just got to pay attention to your hair. How do I know what type of cleanser to actually use? So once a month, I clarify my hair with a clarifying shampoo. Like I said, I'm low porosity, high density, coarse hair. Which means I like to use a lot of heavy butters, a lot of heavy creams, and because of that, I need to clarify my hair. I need to get those products out of my hair, and so I clarify my hair once a month, and then in between that time, I use moisturizing shampoos. I use moisturizing shampoos because I find that they are gentler, but they still cleanse my scalp. I don't really co-wash anymore. I like rarely co-wash, just because I just don't really feel like co-washing does anything. And I feel like every time I will co-wash my hair will get itchy. So the only time I co-wash is if a style just came out terribly and then I rewash it in the middle of the week because I don't want to shampoo my hair because that's too many. It's not enough days in between and my hair will feel dry. So I will go ahead and co-wash and kind of just get some of that product out. And when I co-wash, you try to use a product that is a co-washer, which means they have a little bit of cleansing agents in it. But I also just kind of prefer a gentler shampoo that might be a little bit more gentle than a moisturizing shampoo or something like that. So I rarely co-wash. When I do, it's literally just to like kind of get me till actually shampooing my hair, because my hair is trash because of maybe like the products that I used or something like that.
Okay, so now we're gonna head to my actual shower, where I'm gonna kind of show you guys my technique of washing my hair. So for me to wash my hair, like I said before, because I have low porosity hair, what I want to always do is always make sure my hair is completely saturated. So in real time, this literally takes me 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that all my strands are coated. My hair is completely saturated with water. I also always shampoo my hair with warm water, actually kind of hot water, because what I also want to do is I want to start opening up those cuticles so that when I shampoo my hair can kind of cleanse, get that product out of my strands and kind of reset my hair so that I can start layering moisture back in it. So I do use heat to shampoo my hair. So one thing about shampoo is that shampoo is acidic. Because it's acidic, it is going to raise your cuticles a little bit as well. This is all very, very important, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get that buildup out of our hair, lift those cuticles so that we can start adding moisture back into our hair. So once I have got my hair completely wet, what I'm going to then do is go in with my shampoo of choice. As I stated in this video, I'm actually clarifying my hair, but it doesn't matter. It just depends on what my hair needs at that moment. So once I shampoo my hair, I focus on my scalp. However, I also shampoo my strands of hair. I do not believe you can thoroughly cleanse your hair by just letting the foam of the product of the shampoo run down your hair. If you think about it, when we're applying product to our hair, we work that product in. So if we're working that product in, we got to work that product out. So what I do is I shampoo my scalp, but then I will also shampoo the strands of my hair. So I will literally go in, rub my scalp, make sure my scalp is clean, also make sure my strands are clean, and getting rid of all that product buildup. Now, typically I only need one lather to thoroughly cleanse my hair. However, if I did like a wash and go, and I use some gels like Eco Styler gel or something like that, I do go in with 2 lathers, but that's more of a personal preference. I just want to make sure I got that gel out so that I can properly layer products and get moisture back in my hair. But typically 1 lather for me does the trick. I do like shampoos where I can do a little detangling session. I try not to use any combs or brushes when I am shampooing, because I am taking that product out of my hair. My hair is definitely going to be more on the drier side, and so I don't want to go in with any combs or brushes or anything like that and cause breakage. So any detangling I do during this process is going to be with my hands. So one way I know my hair is thoroughly cleansed and that it is time to go on to the next step is that I start to see my curls pop. Why is my curls popping when I just cleansed my hair? My hair is more dry. It's because I've lifted that gunk out of my hair. I've lifted that product, those heavy products, those heavy oils. And so now my hair is thoroughly cleansed, ready to accept any moisture that I put into it.
Okay, so my top 3 clarifying shampoos is going to be the Daily Clarifying with Deep Cleanser for normal to oily hair from Suave, which looks like this. This stuff is like $2 and it is going to get your hair squeaky clean. So it's very, very affordable. A little of this stuff goes a long way. I've had this for a minute now and I haven't even put a dent in it. Then the next 2 products is going to be the Camille Rose Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo. Definitely a clarifying shampoo. It is not as potent of a clarifier as that Suave Daily Clarifying, but it is also, and it's also not as strong as the Kinky Curly, but it is a clarifying shampoo and your hair will feel very, very stripped after using it. And so will this from this Kinky Curly Come Clean. This is a great shampoo. It is just going to, these shampoos just literally give you a clean slate. Two of my favorite moisturizing shampoos is going to be the Miche Beauty Bio Mint Moisturizing Shampoo, as well as the Moisturizing Cleanse Sulfate Free Shampoo. Definitely is going to get your hair cleansed, but it's definitely a more moisturizing shampoo. Your hair is not going to feel as stripped with those other two. As you can see, this is one of my favorite moisturizing shampoos to use, and I literally only have like a little bit left because this is the shampoo that I use often, this one and Miche Beauty. I finished my first Miche Beauty shampoo, and this is my second Miche Beauty shampoo. So these are what I use consistently, and then the other three clarifying shampoos is what I use at least at minimum once a month to clarify my hair. Another shampoo is going to be the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleanse. This is probably what I have been leaning towards when it comes to doing co-washes, because it's not like a shampoo, but it's also not like a co-wash conditioner. It is going to cleanse your scalp, but it is super, super gentle. And I feel like this is the better option if you have low porosity, coarse strands, high density hair. I feel like this is the best option because it will cleanse your hair enough to get you through the next week, but it's not going to strip your hair where you're using like your shampooing your hair too much. So I definitely like this shampoo for that. I got this not too long ago, and like I'm already here, so as you can see, I do use it. So yeah, those are some of my favorite shampoos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on tomorrow's upload, and I will see you in tomorrow's video where we talk about deep conditioning.